Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on dark mode on Snapchat. First of all, open Snapchat account. I will request you, if you are first audience to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Look at the left corner, tap on to profile icon. After that, look at the right corner, tap on setting icon. Scroll down. Select this option and finally click on to always dark. Restart now. Okay, now I am checking. Okay, now done. Now successfully turn on dark mode on Snapchat.